All right, here we are in a 2020 Durango, getting ready to do a key, an extra key. Okay, so the lady has a key, but is having some trouble. So we're going to connect to the OBD port, as well as we're going brute force attack and connecting into the star connectors. All right, now to connect to the star connector, going down here next to the glove box, and you just pull this little carpet back like such. All right, so under the glove compartment, pull the carpet back, and voila. Okay, so gator clips connecting to my 12/8 connector, which connects to the OBD port of the car along with my scanner, reading the code. And then we have the pins connected into the star connector. All right, makes it easier when you put this little extension on there. Programming success. So in here I couldn't show it, but you've got to hold it up against the start stop button while pressing it. Don't press the button with the remote, but hold it next to it while you're pressing the unlock button several times within 60 seconds. Hopefully your scanner should guide you on that. But other than that, we're straight. As you can see here, unlock. Okay. It's attempt to start. Okay. Another day on the job. Here we go. Let's see. Remote start is. And we back. So we got a new remote for the customer, and she has her original, which is not working. Oh well, it works sometimes. All right, now the last part of the job is to disconnect the cables and put this stuff back, which is pretty easy. Unplug your ground, unplug your red. All right, make sure that everything is good with that. Tuck it all back in as it was. All right, everything back to normal. You dig? So again, into the jumpers on the 12/8 connector, 2 pins, needles on the end, makes life easy.